Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on Hagley Park Road and we're heading towards Halfway Tree. As you can see, Hagley Park Road was recently renovated. I think it was 2017. It was a little before COVID hit. And this is the model that every main road should look like in Jamaica. Dual carriageway, concrete barricade to control persons making illegal turns. You have the street lights, you have the markings, you have new stoplights along the way to control the flow of traffic. This is the model by which that should be used for all the main roads in Jamaica. I mean, these roads cost millions of US dollars to build, so obviously not every road can be repaired at the same time, but this is hopefully where we want to get to one day. And I notice when they build these roads, they don't use, there's no bus stop where you can pull off. The buses, like this taxi now, has to stop in the road. And I mean, I know we give them a hard time, and they do, let's just leave that. But there is nowhere for a bus to stop on this road. And recently the government announced that they were going to fix the similar problem of the bus stops on Kingston Spring Road. So if the bus is going to stop on this road, it has to stop on the main road, because there are no bus stops. There's no area for the bus to pull off the road and collect passengers and then move off. Now, the Minister of Transport and Mining, Hagley recently stated that it was a mistake. Okay, this road has it. Now, this bus stop has it where you can pull off the main road. But Kingston Spring Road does not have it. It was like that before they renovated the road. But after Kingston Spring Road was renovated, they don't have that space for the buses to pull over to the side to collect or drop off passengers. So the government announced that they were going to be fixing that problem. And then when the buses stop in the road, the police give them a ticket. I mean, the police are only doing their job. You're not supposed to stop in the road. So the minister announced recently that the government was going to fix that problem, and he said it was a mistake. The way you saw that bus stop on Hagley Park Road, that's how it should have been done on Kingston Spring Road. But it was a mistake, and they said they are going to fix it. And that's in the vicinity of Manor Park, from Manor Park to Dunrobin Avenue. They're going to fix the bus stops along that road. Alright, so we're now heading towards Halfway Tree. This bus stop we just passed has the place for the buses to pull over. So this road was done right. Hagley Park Road was done right. It's Kingston Spring Road that has a problem. And all these roads were fixed through the Major Infrastructure Development Program, MIDP. So it's kind of surprising that they did it on Hagley Park Road with the bus stops, but they never did it on Kingston Spring Road. Not sure why. And if memory serves correctly, they had places for the buses to pull over before they renovated the road. It's since the road was renovated that the bus stops were not put back. But nonetheless, the government has identified the problem and they are now going to fix it. Alright, so we're now driving into Halfway Tree. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.